Hi, I'm going to show you how I bury a thread. Sometimes your thread will break or you run out of bobbin like I did here. So I will show you how I hide these inside the quilt. So these are all my trusty tools. I have my little pebble needles, seam ripper, and scissors. So first I'm going to I have a piece of green glide thread and I'm going to thread my needle. Okay, and then I'm gonna tie a little loopy knot. Essentially, I'm just making a loop because we're gonna use this to pull the tails through. So you got the knot right here. I'm gonna cut that off. And then I'm gonna go to these threads on the quilt. I'm gonna tie a square knot. And I try to tie my knot as close to one of the holes from the needle of the quilting. Okay, so now I've got my square knot and I'm gonna take my needle with the loopy thread and I'm gonna stick it in this quilting hole. And what I'm gonna do is make sure that the needle stays in between my quilt sandwich. So it's in between the top and the batting, but it is not poking through the back. And I'm gonna push it through some of this space, about 1 inch. And my needle is gonna come out. And then I take my thread tails and I'm gonna slide them through the loop. And I'm gonna hold these tails as I pull my thread through. So your tails will come through about 1 inch and that knot is now secured inside your quilt. And that is how you hide the thread tails.